ENG, I'm coming back down there.
I hear you.
Twinkle, little star. I tell you how I'm wondering are.
ENG, just listen to the sound of my voice. Just listen to the sound of my voice. Just relax. Calm down.
Yeah, I know where you are. I know where you are. I just used freaking. Uh-oh. I've been found.
Run! Run!
I hear you.
You'll never find me, you stupid Sylveon.
No!
Ting, tang,
Come back
tong.
here.
Where are you?
That stupid Sylveon will never find a go.
That trick won't work on us. That trick won't work on us. Come to us.
Wait, how are you?
How did you guys lock the doors? How did you lock the doors? ENG, let me in there, please.
Ding, 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 ding. Thank you, Umbreon.
ENG!
Big mistake, buddy.
ENG! I see you!
Fair. Come to me, Angie.
No!
Come here, Angie. Shark Boy, you can have Umbreon.
I'm done.
I'll take up Angie.
What do we do?
Come here.
Come here.
So
Come
anybody
here,
want vodka?
Senpai.
Or a drink or something?
Yeah, want something to drink. Something that's round and circular.
Where you going? Come back here.
Run, run,
Yeah,
run,
come back
run!
here. Just come a little. You get Umbreon. I'll handle Angie. Hello, motherfucker.
He locked the door.
Ding dong, come and pray. Come here, Empoleon.
Nope, nope. No, ENG, come on, come on.
Why don't you just stop running and
Nope.
start humping your eyes out? Come here, Senpai Angie.
No! No, no, what the fuck were they again?
Ding dong, come and play. I'm gonna take you, I'm gonna break your cup.
No! No!
Back here.
No.
Come on, let's have some dick something. You can't stay down there. You can't stay up there for long. Jenny and G, just go down here for a little.
Empoleon.
No! No! No!
Hello there. How about party?
No! ENG, let me go up there, please!
Better make you suck my dick and then make you clap. You better come down here or we better suck your dick.
You know, you activated intense mode on Empoleon.
That one
Empoleon.
you shall.
Empoleon.
What the voice was that over here before?
Hello, Angie. Come
You
back
activate
here.
my wage.
I'm not ENG!
You know you want this tail.
Oh,
Boy,
ENG!
you activate my wage. They
No, I didn't.
You might as well.
No way! No way!
ENG! Ah! Ah!
We can hear you.
ENG! ENG, where are you? ENG! Part, where are you?
Somewhere!
You coward! We need to stick together to fight these demons! I don't want to be alone anymore, I'm afraid. I'm not gonna.
do you now?
Ah! No! No! No!
Come here, handsome man.
Look at my genitals.
No!
Brian.
Spare me, spare me, spare me, spare me, spare me, spare me. I don't know his real name.
I'll spare the only way I'll
Wanna-
the only way
I
I'll
don't know his
spare
real name.
the only way I'll spare you is if I can toss you in the water.
It's gone quiet. It's gone quiet. It's gone quiet. I think the coast is clear. I think the coast is clear. What?
Brian.
Help me, Gohan! Help! Ah!
Never mind. I'm out.
Where are you
Oh,
going from
Andy.
skinny dip?
Oh, you
Yes,
feel big muscles
yes,
here.
yes.
Oh, big muscles and a long dick. Gosh.
It's skinny dip.
Come here, Angie.
Poyon, it's skinny dipping time. Okay, I know.
Larry.
My hide.
It's naked!
Come on, just hit me with your long dabbing
I
sword.
can smell you from a mile away.
Oh, I have my
No, please! Please!
Join.
No, no, no! ENG! Help!
I'm Poyon. Milky Me time.
No, 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 no! Get out of here, you stupid house mod! Get out!
Back up, back up, back up, back up.
Yeah, pick up ENG. He likes
don't have my
Sylveon.
weapon.
Oh, I'm just a kid. Come on. We're in the
don't.
purple room
That thing in a
with the
kid.
anvil.
That thing's a hell spawn. That thing came from the depths of hell.
Just a
Lady NG.
kid. I'm with them.
Exactly, exactly.
Oh.
What?
2v1.
2v1.
Oh no.
Let's destroy this monster. Die! 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 Stupid.
Keep it doing it.
Poyon.
Yes.
You got been infected.
No, don't turn into a Sylveon, ENG. The sickness did not reach you. If I will do it if you need me to. Just say the word and I will do it. Say it. Say it!
Your ball's gonna sound like this.
It's not working.
Did you even put ammo in that gun?
No, I use it for intimidation. I'm Hop. What do you think?
Look at my Kraft mac and cheese.
The macaroni and cheese has been contaminated. Don't touch it.
But it's mac and chease.
No,
Mac and
but
cheese
all of it's
so
been
good.
contaminated. Ugh. I don't like seeing that thing up close.
But
It's spitting out hairballs at you, ENG. Is that Serena's, Sylvian? Serena's?
wait, if it is, is it?
Is it Sharkbot?
Oh, I'm just a kid wants to join back.
Oh no!
Looks like Braxton's gonna join. Mega Man wants to join back. This is gonna be like a movie.
I'm pathetic.
This is gonna be like a movie, ENG. Here, eat.
Today we're playing some Sylvian games.
No! No!
Back up! My mac and cheese.
Get away, you fucking demon! Stay away!
My mac and cheese.
Be gone!
I don't have to follow your rules.
Do something, ENG! Do something about this!
What am I supposed to do?
Yes! Mega Man joined
no.
back! Yes!
No. Oh.
It was better when it was just your torment.
Get out there! Go
I'm just a
find.
kid, hurry! Purple room.
Hi, he can't hear you from over here. What the heck are you? He's mental. I think he's losing his mind. I think he's losing his mind.
Don't touch me.
What happened here? What's happening here?
In the purple room, hurry!
No, we're in the
I'm
blue
on
room.
both
Don't
sides.
listen to Shark.
No, we're in the blue room.
Sides.
Blue room.
He changed
Purple room's the
sides.
pool table.
Don't listen to him, Mega Man. He's gonna get you.
Who?
Come on, hurry up.
My mac and cheese.
What
It's
happened?
empty.
Eat it,
What
you
happened?
stupid.
Hurry! I got
But
on
it's
both
empty. I don't
tables.
want to eat the box.
Eat it. This is what we must do to survive. Eat the box, you stupid homeless.
What
child.
happened here? What happened?
Mega
here?
Man, we need your help. Can you take out the demon Hellspawn right there? Could you do it for us, Mega Man?
I don't know how to do it. Because,
Yes, you do,
if I was
you
trying to
dumb
glitch out,
robot.
possibly.
I get it, you've been in retirement for years, but you're gonna learn. Oh no.
Okay. So.
Ah!
You just
Or
now
glitch
warned
your mouth.
all my. Here, go ahead and take this and put it in your face.
Yeah, please
Okay,
give me that.
well,
Where'd it go?
close your
Where'd it go?
eyes.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Open the door. Open the door.
Yeah.
Open the door. Open the door.
Let
Did
me
you think
out!
there's one left?
Let me out.
I can't get out.
No! 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 No!
Hey, what up, Shark? Sorry if I have to stop you.
No! You!
Is it over?
It's not over, ENG. ENG! Where are you? ENG!
I'm below you. I'm below you.
Okay, got it.
Okay. I think I handled the shark bot thing for ya. Guys? Guys, I handled the shark bot thing for y'all. I think.
Go away! Go
Yeah.
away! I don't still see him. Go away, Mega Man! Stop
What?
following. Go. ENG, there you are. There you are.
Okay.
Get in here. Get in here.
It's just me.
Okay, I'll be your security guard.
Yeah, be the security guard, Mega Man.
That's just gonna expose us more.
So this is how it's gonna
if you have a
end.
sandwich.
Us in the bathroom.
I feel itchy.
Mega Man, don't say that. You're making it more awkward than it already is. Sharkbot's out there.
Hey, yo.
Hello.
Oh.
You walked in here now. Boy.
No!
Take a shower.
Get away from me!
Get away, hell! No, please! Mega Man, you idiot!
Oh god,
Let me
so
back in,
funny.
let me back in,
Just
let me
so
back in.
funny.
Let me back in.
Become
What's our plan, Angie? Mega Man's been lying to us the whole time. He's been a double. He's been a spy. What do we
Okay.
do?
Do you
First
want
up,
Alright,
you're gonna go inside the toilet,
something
flush yourself.
more?
Bet!
Oh, I wonder where they are.
Hello there. Yeah.
I wonder where they are.
Father,
Angie!
what's happening here?
Over here! Angie! He's dead. Angie! Over here!
Oh my freaking god! He's double crossing us.
I know that stupid Mega Man. I saw him. He's a spy for the enemy.
I know. Stay quiet.
It sort of kind of smells like shit because
Am I now? I can hear you.
No, you can't. You're just losing your mind.